Hello friends, very good evening. I'm Archana Krishna here, counseling psychologist, hypnotherapist and master NLP trainer. Today I'm here with another beautiful topic about secrets of happy parenting. So before talking about a secret, I just want to share with you one important case which I did in the recent past. A girl came to me who is 18 years old. Okay? Her concerns were uh, severe emotional outbursts. Emotional outbursts is nothing but she feels very lonely and very high and low symptoms of she want to just cry, she cannot sleep, she want to just shout and scream. These are the symptoms she's having. And another thing is she's very much confused with her career, and the another important point is she's very much confused what to do, what not to do. Okay, this is the overall perspective of the case. So I asked her, how can I help you? Her case was keeping aside the emotional stuff. For emotional stuff, we recommend usually the relaxation therapies or mindfulness techniques. Keeping that aside, she was confused. Ma'am, I don't know how to convince my parents what to do, what not to do. Then I asked, what happened? She explained me, just couple of days back, her parents went out, it seems. They went out to their neighbor's house to buy some gift which they have got at free of cost. So this girl's aunt came to her house and she asked, where are your parents? Then this girl explained them like parents went to neighbor's house because they got some gift. So now the story is finished here. Parents came back. The girl said aunt came and I explained her this way. Then parents started screaming at her, how can you say we went out for getting a gift? Then she was confused. Okay, to whom to share? It's not a big deal of some important thing in their life. It is just about a small gift of hardly 500 rupees, which they got at free of cost. And this part I shared, and my parents started reacting. Okay, keep the story aside. Another time, someone came to their home and she said, I don't know where my parents went out. Then they said, how come you're 18 years old and you don't know, where did your parents go? So when this girl have frequently facing these kind of issues, what to say, what not to say, to whom to offer a cup of tea, whom not to offer a cup of tea with someone comes home, she's very much confused. And out of this frustration, she started developing sleeplessness, and because the parents started pointing out her you don't know anything. You are you're a dumb girl. You don't know how to behave with anyone. You learn the manners, right? Same way, do we find things in our home also? Do we point out our kids is this the way to do the thing? And do we say why are you doing like this? Yes, absolutely, I agree. If at all parents don't like something the child is performing, you have all the rights to point out at them. But my dear parents, you need to remember, you have to give them a clarity. If not this, what they have to do. Yes, see, when this girl's parents know, someone comes home and asks you, where are your parents? Then they should know, to say. Okay. Now, after a couple of days, I called their parents to come. When I asked their parents to come, their parents came, and when I asked her, their parents explained me, ma'am, she is having very aggressive nature, she's breaking the things at home and she's behaving bit abnormally, she's screaming, she's asking, why am I answerable to you, I'll do as I wish, etc. And she is most of the time on mobiles. Then I asked the parents what you are doing. Who have in your home the nature of breaking the things when you are at anger? I asked them who have the nature of screaming when you get anger. Then parents just tilt their head bit low and they said, we do that. So my dear parents, how you want your child to be, you need to be a role model for them. We want our child to be something different, and we show them you have to be like Sachin, you have to be like Mother Teresa, you have to be like Modi or someone else by showing outside world, but inside world is completely your home. So how you want your child to be, you first start living like that. You create the role. See, Usually nowadays parents will be sitting in the couch, on the couch or in sofa, and start watching mobiles, and they expect, like, they'll be watching mobiles like this, and they start saying their child, you go and study, why are you watching mobile? So out of fear, the kids may not question the parents, but what question might be running in their head? If really the age comes for them, like where they can open up their mouth and speak something up, then definitely they'll question you. You parents don't maintain a discipline of lifestyle, then you expect your kids to do the same. You don't respect the relatives who come to your home, or you may talk something when they leave, like, why did they come, or something like this, and you expect your kids to give respect to someone else. Is it possible? It's not possible. So, my dear sweet parents, think about this important aspect, that how you want your kids to be, you start living like a role model for them. Because you all know the famous quotation usually which is used, kids will not listen to parents, they will follow parents. What they see, they will learn. They are learners. They'll, like, everything. Why the movies are having a good impact on kids? Why serials are having an impact on kids? Those are all visuals. Once we see the visuals, we start following them. So being a parent, when you keep on dictating them, like, wake up, okay, do bath, perform your homeworks, respect others. No, you do, then preach them, then see how the things will get streamlined. Okay, friends, see you once again with another important topic. Till then, bye.